Hello friends, I am Lakshman. Today we will see latest updates on Balanagar flyover construction status. Please check description about location of this flyover on Google Maps. Hyderabad Metropolitan Development Authority has decided to expedite works on the Balanagar flyover so that it is ready by the end of May. The 6-lane two-way flyover is in the direction of Kukutpalli Y Junction to Boinpalli Junction, crossing Narsapur Crossroad and Fatehnagar T Junction. Once opened, the flyover will facilitate smooth flow of traffic on the Balanagar main road, and motorists can cross over to Narsapur and Fatehnagar T Junction. It will also ease traffic congestion in Kukutpalli, Kutpulapur and Jeedimetla areas. The 1.10 km flyover is being built at a cost of 104 crores, excluding land acquisition, and will be 24-meter wide. HMDA has taken up work on the flyover as proposed under the Strategic Road Development Plan, which is SRDP. The flyover has become the need of the hour due to frequent traffic jams on the stretch, causing inconvenience to the local people and also to the workers in nearby industries. Many accidents are also taking place due to narrow roads. The flyover was earlier touted to open by March this year. Works on the flyover was dragging on due to delay in land acquisition, traffic regulation and other reasons. Now with the Greater Hyderabad Municipal Corporation almost completing the land and property acquisition and demolishing 357 structures, HMD is executing the civil work on a war footing. As per GHMC officials, the other flyovers like in the city, like the flyover crossing Seven Tombs and Whisper Valley Junction, Elbinar flyover and Bairamalgoda flyover will be inaugurated this December. That's the latest update about Balanagar flyover. We have visited this flyover just 2 days back. Works on this flyover are almost in finishing stage. Okay, so mostly we can expect opening of this flyover within 1 or 2 months. I do videos on empty roads, buildings and places near to Hyderabad to visit and cities. If you like my content, please consider subscribing. Thank you.